Hello friends and welcome back to the Requisition channel. So friends, today I will talk about DeepCool CH690 digital mid-tower PC case with 2.5 side tempered glass and digital monitoring panel. So friend, DeepCool is a mid-tower PC chassis that aim to blend components visibility with technical control. It comes with black and white color option and is featuring 2.5 side tempered glass panel, front, left and part of the rear, and for unbusted view of hardware inside, and the rear glass can be swapped out for a mesh panel and fat bracket if you need extra airflow. And the black model goes for roughly around 133 US dollar, and the white one is sold at 148 US dollar, and both hit the market on May 16. So friend, under the hood, the CH690 Digital support ATX, Micro-ATX and Mini-ITX motherboard, and up to 3 120 and 140 fans and radiator, and up to 420 at the top, and 3 fans for a 280 radiator on the side, and plus 3 more on the PSU shroud and one of the rear, and one bottom mounted radiator slot for 120 to 40 and 260 and storage wise there is a one 3.5-inch drive bay and 290 2.5-inch mount, and front panel connection including two USB 3.0 port, USB Generation 2 Type-C port, and separate jack for audio and mic, and the steel frame and the glass panel wrap around 240 into 481 into 516 footprint, and tipping the scale at 9.8 kg, and with the blend of aesthetics, modular airflow option and built-in monitoring display, the CH690 Digital target builders who want both from function in their ring. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.